are pleased to show you the 2017 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated steering wheel, power windows, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.